In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to header on Wix. By the end, you'll have your brand front and center, sitting neatly in the header where visitors expect to see it. Start inside the Wix editor, look to the top left and click the plus icon. This is your main ad menu, and it's where you bring new content into your site. From here, head to Media and choose Upload. This opens the Upload panel where you can bring in your logo file from your computer or a connected service. For best results, use a high-quality PNG with a transparent background or an SVG if you have one. Both keep edges crisp and look great at various sizes. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly, but make sure it's large enough that it won't look blurry when resized. Once your logo finishes uploading, select it and click Add to Site. That places the image on your canvas so you can move it around. Now, simply drag and drop it into your header section. As you move it, watch for the blue highlight and the Smart Alignment guides. Those lines help you center the logo or align it with other elements for a clean, professional layout. If the header is locked to a specific area, make sure you're dropping the logo inside that boundary so it stays consistent across your pages. With the logo in the header, adjust its size manually so it looks balanced. Use the corner handles to scale it proportionally and avoid stretching. A helpful tip: aim for a size that's readable at a glance without crowding your navigation. If the logo looks pixelated, it's likely too small for the space. Swap in a larger version of the same file. If it overwhelms the header, scale it down until your menu and spacing feel comfortable. Pay attention to margins on the left and right, and keep enough breathing room above and below the image. When you're happy with the placement and size, take a moment to preview your layout. Consistency across pages is key, and the header is often a global element, so what you do here usually appears site-wide. You can also go back to your site's dashboard and click on Site and Mobile App. This is a great place to review how your brand looks beyond the editor and make sure the logo presentation aligns with your overall experience, including on mobile. And that's it. You've uploaded your logo, added it to your site, placed it in the header, and refined its size so it perfectly fits your design.